Mishnah Zayin. Mishnah comes to teach us שבדברים, in things שיש בהם משום ספק סכנת נפשות. In things that we are worried about, people might be dangerous, שדוחים את השבת, that you push away Shabbat. Let's see what the example. מי שנפלה עליו מפולת, there was an earthquake, the house crumbled down, ספק הוא שם, ספק אינו שם. We don't know if he was in the house or he went on vacation. We just see the earthquake, the house came down. We don't know how many people were in the house, if there were people in the house. So the question is, can we get a bulldozer on Shabbat and start taking things out?
You don't know even if he's Jewish or not.
I don't know about that. We see that. שאין ידוע אם נשאר מתחת למפולת או שניצל ויצא ממנה. We don't know if he stays under it or he's not under it. ספק חי, ספק מת. We don't know whether he's alive, even if he is under. If he's dead, there's nothing to do. You're not allowed to do בכלל שבת.
You can't touch him.
ספק חי, ספק מת. We don't know if he's alive or dead. כלומר, שאף אם נשאר מתחת למפולת, even if he is under all this crumbling house, ספק אם הוא עדיין חי או שכבר מת. We don't know if he's alive or dead. ספק נוכרי, ספק ישראל. We don't know if he's a Jew or a non-Jew. אותו אדם שנפל על המפולת. That person, that the whole house crumbled on. אף על פי שיש כל הספקות הללו. Even though there's 3 ספקות. Over here, מכל מקום מפרחים עליו את הגל. If you're not sure, there might be somebody over there that is Jewish, and you don't know if he's alive or not, but you go over it. פותחים את גל האבנים, you open the גל האבנים, you start taking away the stones, היינו שחופרים ומחפשים אחר אדם בשבת או ביום כיפורים. We dig after this person on Shabbat or in Yom Kippur. מצאו חי, what if you find him alive? אף על פי שנתברר שלא יוכל עד לחיות אלא שעה מועטת. But you know, it's going to be alive for another 5 minutes, 10 minutes. What now? What do you do now? מפקחים עליו. Even though you know he's not going to make it for another 5 minutes, that's it. You still do your part. משלימים את פיקוח הגל, you take him out completely, כדי שיוכל עוד לחיות אותם. חיי שעה. In other words, 5 minutes is 5 minutes. He's going to live for another 5 minutes. Yeah. ואם מת, אם מצאו אותו מת, if they found him dead, יניחו, don't allow to touch him, leave him there. ולא יוסיפו לפקח את הגל בשבת. Don't continue to take the stones away on Shabbat. ואף על פי שאמרו, hey, what are you talking about? There's another Mishnah that says that you're allowed to move a dead body on Shabbat. Yeah, for example, let's give the example that it says you're allowed to. Where does it say it? It says, מצילים את המת מפני הדלקה בשבת. If there's fire in the house, and somebody died in that house, you take the dead body, you don't let it burn. You take the dead body out of the house. So what are you saying over here? Don't take the dead body out.
It doesn't burn.
Oh, very good. כאן מודים הם שאין מפקחים כדי להוציא את המת. Even those people who say take the body out of the house, says over here you do not take out the dead person. שכן בדלקה חששו חכמים, when it comes to fire, the sages have a different worry. What's the worry that they have? They don't have a worry that the body is going to be burned so much. That's the worry. What's the worry? שמא מתוך שהאדם בהול על מתו, they worried because a person is so panicking that it sees somebody else getting burnt, יבוא לכבות הדלקה. He's going to come Mechal Shabbos to put out the fire. So they said it's better to let him do a small melacha, which is not even considered to be a melacha, to take the thing out, than to go and do a big melacha, extinguishing fire. הילקח התירו להוציא מתוכה את המת. That's why the sage is allowed to take the dead person out. אבל כאן אין חשש לאיסור תורה, but over here you're not worried about something that the person might do because of the Torah. שיהיה צורך להתיר מחמתו את הפיקוח של הגל. That you're going to allow to take the stones away. That can wait. Nobody is in a hurry. כך מבואר בגמרא. This is what it says in the Gemara. שבשעה שבדקו, another thing. It says, how do you know the guy is dead or not? So it says, בשעה שבדקו את האדם שמתחת למפולת, אם הוא חי ומת, when you checked him if he's dead or alive, אם בדקו אותו מצד הראש. There's 2 things to check if a person is dead or alive. There's 2 ways to know if he's dead or alive. Breath if he's breathing, and heart, if the heart is pumping. So this is the question. Im batku to mitzad rosho, if you checked him, you find him and the head is first. Klomar shekiu ad chotmo matzu met. They came to the nose and they said, there's no breathing. He's not breathing. Ein tzarich od bdika. You don't need to check to continue to go to the heart to see if the heart is pumping. If he's not breathing, he's not breathing. אבל אם בדקוה מלמטה למעלה, כגון שמצאו דרך מרגלותיו, but if you started from the legs and you went up and then you get to the heart with the stones and you check if he has a heartbeat, and you see he doesn't have a heartbeat, ובדקו עד טבורו או ליבו ומצאו מת, אין סומכים על כך עד שגיל חותמו. It says you don't rely on the fact that he doesn't have a heartbeat until you get to the nose. If it's the nose out-trumps the whole thing. שנאמר, because it says, כל אשר נשמת רוח חיים באפיו. It says, a breath in Bereshit. It says, all that there is a breathing life in his nostrils. ומכאן שעיקר חיותו של אדם ניכר בחותמו. And it means that the main way you can know if a person is alive is going to be in his nose. כן אמרו, they also said, שאם היו הרבה בני ישראל מתחת למפולת, if there were many people under the crumbling, the house came down completely, אף על פי שמצאו את העליונים מתים, and you started going, and you found all the ones on the top, they're all dead, so you might assume, I don't have to go to the bottom, because if the ones on top are dead, how much more so the ones on the bottom are dead? He says, no. מכל מקום יש להוסיף ולפקח את הגל. You have to continue. You don't know. Some שמא התחתונים עדיין חיים. Maybe the ones in the lower levels can still be alive.